Yung 8.9, hindi pala official transmission yan, hindi pala in-approve ng secretary, we approved it. What does it make of us? It's not an official list. Now this is the official list. So we better have rules. I think the bicameral committee has to have rules. When there are letters from the cabinet, that means letters given to the chair are not official transmission. We have to check. There should be maybe a watermark. So they're saying that these were not official transmissions because the secretary was on medical leave. Ano ibig sabihin yan? So, sino nagpadala? USEC niya? What was it? A fake list? And then the bicameral conference committee approved it? Hindi ganyan eh. Hindi, nangyayari ba yan nung 10 years ago? Hindi. Not as, walang ganyan. Hindi nangyayari yan noon. Hindi ganitong kagarapal. Ang pagpapalit-palit. Ibaba ang presyo. Sumunod. Ayon sa kanila. Itaas ang presyo. I-recompute. DPWH yan. DOTR, realignment, palit lang naman. DA, palitan, hindi ako yun, hindi kami yun. Walang coordinates yan, or meron pero mali yung listahan. Yan ang sinabi ko, 3 na yan. O ilan pa? Baka maglapitan lahat ng ahensya ngayon, pwede pala magpalit. Palitan namin lahat ng laman, pareho naman ang level eh. Mr. President, I'm sorry, I have to express my disappointment and exasperation. There has to be some discipline in government. Di ba sa eskwela tayo, pinag-aral tayo, finish or not finish, pass your paper. Pag nagraduhan na ng teacher, tama na, hindi pwedeng magpalit yung seatmate ko, mali. Ano tayo? How can we be a good example to people? Kung sa BICAM na nagpapalit, tama yung sinabi. Disagreeing provision, sabi ni Senator Erwin.